Hello world, here's Biti, your Bitcoin trading informant. Here's your daily update for Bitcoin. We have some nice stuff to watch. Yes, we're going down. We saw a big pump yesterday, but we're going down today. The big question is, where is the next possible rebuy or the buy-in position? We will check this now in this update. Guys, let's go. Okay, we're starting with the quick overview. What's going on now? Bitcoin, it's going up a little bit, 1.6% in 24 hours, but Ethereum, Binance Coin, Solana, DOT, and a lot of other coins are going down. They are in the red position here. XRP is mooning 9% in the plus, Matic 6%, Crow, Litecoin, AVAX, and Shiba. Shiba, 15% in the plus. Shiba is mooning for the moment. In 7 days, a plus about 44%. In 30 days, 13%. If we are watching Bitcoin, we are in 7 days with 12.8% in the plus, and in 30 days only with 3.1%. So if we are watching this one here, we have a neutral for Bitcoin, we have a neutral for Ethereum, a neutral for the Binance coin, but a slightly bullish for XRP, and yes, of course, for Shiba Inu. If we are watching what coin is the biggest winner of the top 20s, it's Shiba Inu. Look at this, 15% on the day in plus. XRP 9%, Matic 6%, Crow 4%, AVAX is also going on really nice. And if we are watching what coin is the biggest loser in the top 20, Near is going down, Atom is going down, Solana is going down, DOT, Algo, Link, and FTT is going down here for the moment. This is the top 20, guys. So now let's dive in here directly in the action. What's going on here? I have new 4 windows here. I have here on the top left the 50-minute time frame, on the top right the 1 hour, on here the bottom left the 4 hour, and the bottom right is the daily time frame. What can we see? This is for the moment the important stuff in my opinion. That's the golden cross indicator on the 4 hour time frame. Why? Let's zoom it up. This is the 4 hour time frame. We can see every candle is 4 hours, and what can we see? We are watching now directly here live this nice golden cross indicator here. 40,000 is the new golden cross, and I think this will happen with the next candle. Now the golden cross is here with the 4 hour time frame. Really nice. What else can we see? The MA20 is here as a nice support line to the downside, and this is a price about 42,600. That's the next support on the 4 hour time frame. But if we are watching something more on the 4 hour time frame, we can watch this nice parallel channel to the upside. This is our nice big parallel channel to the upside, and yes, we can see the middle line is maybe the next support if we are going down. If we are going down more and more, watch 41,900. That's the middle line, and after this one here we have a lot of support to the downside. This is the golden cross dash cross indicator, the SMA 50 and 200. EMA ribbon is here, and the last line is also like the MA20. That's the big support, 42,600. And this is the big thing if we are watching the 4 hour time frame. If we are watching this stuff here on the 15-minute time frame, let's check what's going on. First of all, we lost here every support. We lost the green line support. We lost the MA20 support. Now we are going down maybe to the next support. That's the red line here, this one. We have still, if we are zooming out and out and out more, still a golden cross here on the 15-minute time frame. But guys, attention. You can see the green line is coming down. The red line is growing. Maybe we will see here the next dash cross. I hope not, but it's possible. It's really possible. EMA ribbon band is showing us this position here, and that's not good for the moment because we have a new short signal here. Ribbon band is here as a resistance, and what can we see on the 50-minute time frame? A perfect hit, a really perfect hit here on the EMA 200. That's the yellow line. Now we are going up to the upside. Big question, can we move on more, yes or no? Here is the next thing. Here is the next parallel channel to the downside, a little one. Don't worry guys, it's on the 50-minute time frame, a little one. And what does it mean? We need to break the upside. We need to break the MA20. We need to break the ribbon band for more power to the upside. For the moment, we're going down a little bit and taking deep press now. So that's the 15-minute time frame. Let's check the next stuff. Let's check the 1 hour time frame. What's going on here on the 1 hour time frame? You can see it here also. Yes, here is the parallel channel to the downside. And yes, of course, we have here on the 1 hour time frame another nice little parallel channel to the upside. It's something like this one here. So if you're zooming in, we can see here is the next big support. The green line is here as a support, 43,000. And after this, 42,800, it's the bottom of this parallel channel to the upside, guys. That are the most important things now, 1 hour time frame, 4 hour time frame to watch. Yes, it's possible to go down more and more, but 42,800, 900 is a big support here, and the green line is also a nice support. What else can we see here? We can make here, if we are zooming out a little bit more and more, we can make here another stuff, guys. Let's remove this one. Let's remove this one. Let's remove Golden Cross, Death Cross, MA20 is here. We lost it. Okay, remove it. And we can see now from the downside, a line from here to here. That's our support line from the downside. It's really low, guys. I know it, it's really low, 38,000 maybe. So the next big thing is a line from this point. What's going on with this line from this point to the upside? A rising, broadening wedge, a big one on the 1 hour time frame. Big question. Yes, maybe we're going down. It's possible to retest the support here. 38,000, 39,000, 38,900 is a big support. Guys, depends always where we can hit this line. But I will say maybe like this one. And after this, yes, it's possible to go down up again. That's a really, really easy stuff, guys. It's possible. It's also possible to go up like this one here. From here, it's everything is possible. It's Bitcoin, yes, okay. But we are trying to catch the future. We are trying to see in the future, and maybe this is possible. The good stuff, guys, and that was a thing I talked about yesterday. We need a confirmed closing candle, or we need a spike over 43,500. What happened? Yes, perfectly. We have a new high. So a higher high as this one, a higher high as this position, and that's really, really important, guys. Really important. Nice. Good. If we are going out here a little bit of the 1 hour time frame, let me check this one a little. What's going on here? First of all, Fibonacci retracement from the highest point to the lowest point, and zoom in again. Okay, the next big thing, watch this point here, is 41,500. Why? It was a long time resistance here. It's the 0.236 Fibonacci, 41,500. You can see it here, this yellow line. And that's the big thing we need to watch now here on the 1 hour time frame. Big support to the downside if we're going down more and more. If we are going more down in this parallel channel, guys, we need to watch 41,500. If we can break out to the upside, yes, of course, that's the next nice big stuff. I will also like to make a line from here to here. That's a support line because we are touching this here once. Maybe we are touching this line here next. This is a point about 42,000. Depends always where we will hit the line, 42,500. Here's the support line, guys. And what happened? Here we had another nice support line. This was this one. And yes, we broke it to the downside for the moment. You can see it. It's a little thing to watch. The first support line was this one. It held it here for a long time. Here, once again, after this, we lost it. The next support line is here on the downside, and the next support line is here, 41,500. So that's the big thing. Rising, broadening wedge, support lines here and there, and a nice Fibonacci line. I think this is a lot of information for the day. But now let me check one thing here on the 1 day time frame, guys. Let's zoom in on the 1 day. Here's the 1 day. First of all, yes, guys, we saw a nice cross over the green line. We have it back. We have it back, the green line. If you are watching this one, you can see the green line is the SMA 50 line. This one here, it is our big support now on the 1 day time frame. And let's zoom in more and more. And here you can see support is on 42,700 for the moment. We saw a big spike for the day to the downside. Look at this. Amazing, amazing. And now we are back again over the support. A lot of sell power here and a lot of buy power here. An unsure candle for the moment. 11 hours to close this candle. It's a star candle, but we will see what's going on here next, guys. Let me check one thing here. And this is not the golden cross, the S-cross indicator, not the ribbon band. What's going on with the ribbon band? Here it is. Oh yes, really nice. Remove these drawings. Guys, look at this. I told you yesterday, attention. We need a confirmed closing candle over the ribbon band. Big question is now, can we see in 11 hours close this candle over the ribbon band? This is really important. The last line of the ribbon band is this one here. For the moment, we are over 43,100. Yes, it's possible. It's possible to see a confirmed closing candle here. That would be amazing, guys. A really, really nice stuff for Bitcoin. Yes, here on the upside is a lot of resistance. Here is the EMA 200, 46,800. This is the next big resistance to the upside. And you know the stuff, guys. We need to see closing candles over the ribbon band. This would be the next nice move that we may see here. A nice long signal here and a nice green ribbon band. For the moment, everything is looking okay. Everything is looking fine. This long wick to the upside is frightening me a little bit, guys. You know it. I hate long wicks. I hate long wicks to the upside, because if we are watching this one and this one, we saw after this a dump to the downside. Here, a nice wick to the upside, a dump to the downside. Long wicks to the downside, a nice pump to the upside. Guys, this is frightening me a little bit, so attention, attention. Maybe we will see the next fight here with the MA20. I hope not, because it's really low for the moment. It's on a price about, I told you, I think 38,700. And we have the ribbon band here. But a lot of support for the moment. So before we end this video, before we end this stuff, let me show you one thing. And that's the multicolor Bollinger Band. We can see here. If you're asking me, Biti, are we now in a bull trend or in a bear trend? What can we see? We are on the daily time frame in a consolidation phase. We are still in a consolidation phase. Maybe we are turning really soon in a turquoise or green color, but for the moment we are consolidating here. You can see it, the orange and the yellow lines are consolidating, and the turquoise and the green line are mooning bullish colors here. If we are going in the 4-hour time frame, look at this. We saw the consolidation and now we are going up. But attention, we also saw here a consolidation. After this, a nice pump to the upside and then down again, guys. Maybe, I hope not, maybe we will see something like this here. Consolidation, we are going up and once again. So, okay, guys, before we end this video now, one thing, let me try one thing. The big question is, are we now finished with this downgoing price here for Bitcoin or not? I will like to check this one here really quick for you guys, because it's really important. I think it's really important to watch this stuff. First of all, a line from here to here, and the next thing we saw, that's the big question in my opinion, a line from here to here. That's a broadening wedge. Okay, that's one of the big things. It's really hard, guys. It's really hard, guys. It's possible to see 30,000 again because of this broadening rising wedge, or this broadening sideways going wedge here, that we are maybe going down here like this one. Why not? Why not to touch the bottom again of this one? It's a really hard stuff. 30,000, yes. All guys, I know it, guys. All guys are speaking about this one. It's also important to watch maybe this thing here. We lost it, we fight it back, we are back in this line. Okay, it's not so important. If you're watching the lines, guys, it's really hard to say. Let me check this one. This was our channel to the downside. We broke it to the upside. Everything is okay. We make a new higher high. That's also good. We are making higher lows. That's also good. Guys, it's really hard to say. For the moment, everything is looking fine. But remember, if we are buying this wedge here, this sideways going wedge or this broadening wedge, we may go down once again. This is really important stuff here on the downside, and we need to watch. It's also really possible to see maybe, and that's not from the table for the moment, this one here, shoulder ahead. And I don't think that this was the right shoulder. Maybe we are buying a right shoulder here. That's also possible, guys. And then we have a new line to watch. It is this line. It's our new support line from the upside, downside to the upside. It's this one. So if we are going down more and more, 34,500, also possible we're going up 50,000, make the right shoulder. After this, we're going down. Guys, that's a little bit magic glass reading, but it's a really important information in my opinion. So guys, thanks for watching. Have a nice time. Please leave a thumb to the upside, leave a comment. Everything is helping me here for YouTube, and I wish you the best. Yours, Biti, and very important, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not.
System activated.